So today we're going to be preparing chocolate chip cookies. It's the ultimate recipe you'll ever get, and the results are super amazing. So without further ado, let's get baking. So in a large bowl, we're going to cream our sugar and margarine with using a hand mixer until it's light, fluffy, and creamy. Once it's fully combined, we're going to set this aside, and then in a separate bowl, we're going to mix together our eggs with vanilla. Once this is combined, we're going to add it into our sugar and margarine mixture, and then mix this till it's nicely combined. Next, we're going to add in our flour and mix this until it's nicely combined.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me. I can't get enough. We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want.
Your cookie dough is supposed to look something like so. So we're now going to fold in our chocolate chips, and we're going to ensure that it's evenly distributed. You can note that I've left some chocolate chips aside. These I'll be using to just place a few on the top of the dough before I get it to bake. So once we're done preparing our dough, we're going to cover this using a cling film or aluminum foil, and then place it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes to 1 hour. As our dough is in the fridge, we're going to prepare our baking tray. So we're going to lightly grease it and then place parchment paper. So I left it in the fridge for 1 hour and now it's ready. So using an ice cream scoop, I'm going to scoop a little bit of the dough and then roll it in my palms into a ballish structure and then place this on the prepared baking tray. So I'm going to do this until all the dough is finished.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all
For
of the
pretty
ways
looking
that you know
cookies,
me,
I'd
I can't
advise
get
you make
enough.
small balls.
We got the future burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through the room, I know that you know if you fall, I will be there. Let's light up like the moon. Yeah, we take it off, make it even.
Ensure your cookies are well spread out on your tray. Then with the chips that we had left, we're going to just pop a few, one or two, on top of the dough before it goes into the oven. We're going to bake this at 150 degrees for 20 minutes. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them completely cool on a cooling rack and then serve with tea or coffee. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do send us a review of how your chocolate chip cookies went. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Till next time, happy baking!